What's going on, guys? Bailey here, aka FishingProbs, and today we have my super duper Spiderman rod and backpack. Broke this thing out to do some saltwater fishing. We're using live shrimp right now because it's the easiest way to get a bite. We're gonna see if we can get hooked up and see how well our Spiderman rod is gonna do, so stay tuned. All they do is jump. Hopefully he doesn't go under the bridge. First fish on the Spiderman rod, inshore edition. Pull and drag. Spiderman Peter Parker. Don't mess with me. Alright, well, you're hoping for a snook, you're hoping for a tarpon, but looks like it's going to be a croaker, like a whiting. Yeah, you can hear the noise it's making right now. Circle hook worked perfectly right in the corner of the mouth. This fish is like, it looks like a red fish. Look at it flared up. Look at its gills open right now, trying to look big and tough. These gills are super sharp. A great fish to catch inshore in South Florida especially. We're gonna let him go. There we go, come on, come on. And goodbye. Awesome. What's going on, guys? So you saw earlier we spent the day inshore fishing, saw some snook, ended up catching like one of those croakers. So now we've transitioned with our Spiderman rod freshwater. We're gonna do the Florida Slam freshwater and saltwater. So with that being said, right now we got the selection of the world's smallest shiners we're picking from. And we're gonna see if our Spiderman fishing rod can't get us a bite. Oh, there we go. Well, small rod means small bass. See this little guy right here on the Spiderman rod, on the shiner. Let's unhook him, get that release. At least we've completed our slam. Now let's see if we could get us a big bass now. Oh, got a fish already. Wow, this is the land of tiny bass. Small rod equals small fish. Alright. We know we were talking about, but seriously? The shiners aren't that small? Little tiny guy right here. Cute. Let's release him to grow big. Let's get another shiner on. Let's catch a lunker on our Spiderman rod. We're out here bass fishing in South Florida using the ultimate rod and reel combo. Okay, he's going north now. The south's too mainstream with whatever's popping off over there. Alright, well we have a shiner on. Time to set the hook on good old Peter Parker. Bass doesn't feel very large, but bass feels like it's also charging us. Honestly, the Spiderman rod, I wouldn't use any other combo. Here we go. He's coming right at us. He sees the Spiderman rod and he swims right to shore. Come on, buddy. I don't know, it's always a small fish. So that is the first fish on the Spiderman combo. Circle hooked live shiner right in the corner of the mouth, as it was supposed to do. So we're gonna remove the hook, set the rod down, and release him. Alright, we're gonna dodge whatever that is swimming on the top of the water, and we're gonna release him back into the water. Now that bass was nice and all, but I'm thinking something a little bit bigger. So we're gonna cast out another shiner. Spiderman rod nighttime edition. Bring the camera up right over here. Spiderman rod, it's a waiting game. Big fish are small. Peter Parker didn't put on high pound test. So, it's okay. So we're still gonna catch pigs on the rod. So, the Spiderman rod caught a bass about the size of the Spiderman rod. I mean, this is a very decent Florida largemouth. Let's get it unhooked. I mean, just to show you again, this thing is a pig. So, we're gonna release it.